kakhulu uyasho yona ukuthi hayi ya introducewa u-ANC kumaGupta. Manje le nsizwa kwavele kwenzeka ukuthi u-SG we-ANC. Hawu. Hawu. Uthi yena wa-introducewa u-ANC. Manje angazi ngihlangana nomunye umuntu owa-introducewa u-ANC kumaGupta. Ngelinye ilanga ngangibuza ukuthi ngibuza komunye umuntu owathanda amaGupta lapha namthanda ukuthi yini mina ngakaze ngifonela amaGupta. Athi hallo cele. Uthi-ke u-Ace Mahashule wa-introducewa u-SG wami wa-introducewa yi-ANC kumaGupta. Ngabona ukuthi yikho sizoba nenkinga. Sisanayo. Ngabona ukuthi sizoba nenkingana. Le nkingana izoba sekutheni amaGupta asibambe ngobhongwana. Sinje su-ANC siyakhathelana siyanyathelana silana ngamathe. AmaGupta asibambe ngobhongwana. Manje ke khona wasiwa nje ngetray bona kwathiwa lebu kaGupta. But angasho ukuthi ithini program yakhe yokuba kumaGupta. Kodwa abanye bethu sesiqala ukusola ukuthi iprogram yakhe ukugibhiza u-ANC. You see, comrade, you can't be elected and be SG of the organization and you go a platform emcimbini obaluleke njengo-106 years eMaritzburg uyothi labantu akhethwe nabo ubanika 5 years. Utshela ubani ukuthi uyobukuphi wena after 5 years? Utshela ubani uyobukuphi? Utshela ubani wena? Njengoba usuthixo nje ususinika 5 years. Wena uyobe ukuphi? And kufanele usitshele ukuthi ubani lo okuthume ukubekela u-ANC u5 years i-leadership okhethwe nayo. Usebenzela bani? Usebenzela bani ukuthi unenkinga? Sakhethwa nini lapha 20 January 20 akakapheli 2 months. Kodwa wena ususinika u5 years uyasho uthi 5 years uyasho u5 years. Unikwa uba uthunywa ubani usebenzela bani ukuthi ANC leadership that has been elected by 4,700 people wena wedwa uzoyinika u5 years. Why is that so? Awusitshela ukuthi usebenza yabona ngeke uyenze lento ungathunyiwe. Uthunywa ubani ubelethe bani ukuzodiphiza u-ANC. Yabona bafuna ukudiphiza lo-ANC. The ANC can defend itself. No party that is going to go around here threatening the ANC for 5 years and thinks that all of us will keep quiet. Never. Never. The ANC sifuna uphile kuze kube phakathi. Sister said, that's why ekhethiwe in leadership in that particular time will defend it. Don't come here and threaten that leadership. Who are you? Usebenzela kwaba wabuyela ekhaya wazothreatisha abantu bakini kanti wakabani wena? Kanti wakabani? Who are you? Kahle kahle. Huh? Who are you? Attack lebhodi ukhetha ukuthi uyilide. Kuzofanele usitshele ukuthi ubani. Siyakuthembisa futhi ukuthi lo 5 years uzophela makhono fanele aphume. Uwe awuyeke le leadership ekhethile. Awuyeke le leadership ekhethile. Yeke le leadership ikhethwe abantu be-ANC abacishe babo 5,000. wena uzositshela ukuthi ayizuka ulinda 5 years ulindele bani ufuna ukusaphi lo mbutho uphathele bani lo mbutho lo sikunika such a responsibility usitshela ukuthi ufuna ukuwuthatha lo mbutho ofaka ehlathini okwesibili ayisizi lento yokubhukana this thing yesarcasm masi leadership uma une issue nami woza kumina uyabona ke sivumelene lapho ukuthi izinto ze-ANC sizoyikhuluma internal ngiyakhuluma njengoba ngise-branchini ngeke ngisho kweyindawo lezi zinto engiyishoyo internal but esibili kunezinto uma uyimember ye-ANC ongeke uthule ungakwazi ukuyiphendula okufanele uyiphendule bachazela abantu be-ANC bangafakwa ehlathini uthi wena uyabhuka uthi abantu abangawuthengi uMcDonald's well sinenhlanhla yokuthi sino president onemali yakhe yabona manje yabona uthilile mangasantshontshe singambuza ukuthi endoda unemali wena untshontshelani mhlawumbe abayo president abangenayo bantu ngaze ubadabukele ungababuzi now this president you see who president esinaye was the Secretary General of the African National Congress ngo-91 eThekwini at the age of 39 Kama abantu bakhohlwa ukuthi masibuye ehlathini sibuye emajele was the first SG of the African National Congress. Kulo Ramaphosa. Since abanye baze bathi akayazi ANC wawuphi ngo-91 uSecretary General. Yakhuli ANC phansi kwakhe lo Secretary General yaba isikhonda. From there akakaze angabi imember ye-NEC ever since akakaze esasebhizinisini egrantwe ipermission yokuya lapho leadership ye-African National Congress imali nayo akayintshontshanga wayisebenza wena uzobhuka ukuthi abantu abangawuthengi uMcDonald's bazoba edudla enze njeke mina ngiyavumelana nalomuntu osho njalo othi abantu abadle organic food ukudla okukhushwe kahle ababuyise le mali yasedairy bayinika abalimi bring back the dairy money so that we give it to farmers and they produce the organic food lofuna sidle akusizi lutho ukuthi udasidle organic bese untshontsha imali ye-organic iphi imali ye-organic uthatha imali yethu ye-organic uyoshadisa ngayo abantu asingabazi uyoshadisa abantu asingabazi thatha 30 million labantu laba basidelela bahlala esikhumulweni sendiza zamasosha bahamba ngeemoto zamabhulayithi bayoshada ngemali yethu siyayicela lo mali sifuna ukuyisa kwi-farming senze organic khona so uyeka uMcDonald's sizoyeka uyeka umntshontsha imali yobisi sifuna ubisi organic hamba ukhohlisa abantu babhalisa ukuthi bazoba nobisi la yonke kanti uyazi ukuthi imali uyisemshadweni wamagupta amagupta ayefele khona lawo wa-introduce wedwa kuwona ngoba wenzenje abasi-introduce phela u-ANC ma-introduce abantu kumagupta nathi akasi-introduce kumagupta kwenzela ukuthi nezethu iy'ngane zosebenza khona sihlale nawo amagupta ngoba neyakho njengoba wa-introduce owele yakho isebenza khona ihlala khona mhlawumbe ezethu azikho nokuba sintroducewanga. Comrades, ningadlali nalo mbutho. Mase sinibona ukuthi ubelethe ibonyi sizokubuka. Ukuthi akuyona ingane lo ibelethile ibonyi.